For Saturday, August 5, 2023. Severe thunderstorm watch issued. Valid from 4 p.m. until midnight Central Daylight Time. Isolated severe thunderstorms are possible mainly this afternoon across portions of the Texas-Oklahoma panhandles, with a threat for scattered damaging winds and isolated significant gusts up to 80 miles per hour likely. Scattered large hail and isolated very large hail events up to 2 inches in diameter will also be possible. Additional storms are forecast to develop this evening with a more significant severe wind threat accompanying the stronger storms through the late evening. Be sure to subscribe for future severe weather updates.